Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to make a game called Madlibs. So we are going to make this in Python, and this is the first video of my Python series. So let's get started. First we will make a comment named variable. This is not important, this is just for understanding it, and make another comment named as storyboard. Now in the under storyboard we'll write a print statement, and in the print statement I will just write a story, a small story, like there was a boy named, and wherever there can be a change, just do two curve bracket and whatever name you want to give it to your variable. Okay, I'll take it as var1. Now do not forget to add this f before your quotes, because it tells the computer that we will be using some variables and the variables are inside the curve brackets. Right, now we'll add a full stop. He lived in some place, so I'll, for our easy, I'll name it place, this name. And now we will do is we'll continue making two 5 lines, he loved to play a game, and he was also good at an activity. Right, so activity, by activity I mean drawing, coloring, etc. So now we will, there is an error, there is a red underline. What the error is? The error says that you what is this? I don't know what the name thing is, what the place thing is. There are no variables named there. So we will name the variable. Okay, name input, we will take it from the user, right? So we will take it, will name equals to input. I'll tell you how to why we are using input. So now we are going to write a text, enter boy, because we are using boy. Okay, boy's last name. Alright, now if you ask me what is this, I wanted to do is boy's name and a quote over here, but I cannot do it, right? Because it will think that it is the end of the sentence. So I'll add a forward slash that tells the computer that it is to be this thing is to be printed, not it is not the end of a sentence, and this will not be printed. Now enter the boy's name. This. Now we will do the same thing for our other variables. Enter a name of a place, and then there is a game. A name of a game, and activity groups. Activity is input. Enter a name of an activity. I think we should do it. Alright, So this is what the end result should be. Let's check what is the end result. I'll just see over here. It is asking for the boy's name. I'll write Jay, and I'll write India, and then I'll write a game like cricket, an activity like oops, I made a typing mistake by the way. But like there was a boy named Jay. He lived in India. He loved to play cricket, and he was also good at coloring. It should be R instead of T, but it is still working. Okay, so that was a video. That's all we have done. You can extend it, and you'll get the this whole text in the description. If you have any problem, you'll get this ditto exact same source code in the description. And if you like this video, like the video, and please subscribe so that you will get a notification when I upload a new Python video. And do comment if you have any problem, or you want to give any suggestions about the video quality or editing, or any other topic for Python project. So bye for now. Meet you in the next video.